Product name: KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 Rugged Waterproof Shockproof Dustproof Wi-Fi Digital Camera. The KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is a budget-friendly, waterproof and shockproof digital camera that is perfect for capturing memories on the go. It has a 16-megapixel sensor and a 4x optical zoom lens with a focal length of 27 to 108 millimeters. The camera is waterproof up to 49.2 feet and shockproof up to 6 feet. It also has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to transfer your photos and videos wirelessly. Pros: rugged yet still relatively compact, dustproof and waterproof up to 15 meters, shockproofed against drops of up to 2 meters, built-in Wi-Fi capability. Cons: smallish screen for composing and reviewing images, small sensor and basic feature set, no mains plug or media card supplied. In conclusion, the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is a great option for those seeking a waterproofed way of taking photos and video, and transferring them wirelessly. It is priced at roughly a third less than some equally big-name alternatives, making it an affordable choice for those on a budget. The product is available on Amazon from $134. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.